Hey everyone, welcome to Marvel AI Academy, a place of AI automation. Here you get to learn how to create AI videos, generate voiceovers, human voiceover, AI voiceover. Here we are going to teach you how you can use AI to make money in 2025. We are going to teach you how you can use AI to grow your business easily without stress, how you can generate a lot of AI videos, designs, and all that, and how you can monetize it into money. And also, we are also going to guide you on how you can monetize your account easily, step and step, and mistakes that you don't need to do for your account to be monetized. There are some guidelines we are going to give you some a lot of hack stuff, websites, etc. So yeah, we are going to show you some AI tools you are going to need to grow your business and earn money online. I'll break it down step by step for you to follow, step by step, one by one, to make it more easier for you. To make it more easier for you, we are going to show you how you can generate AI videos, how you can turn scripts to videos, how you can turn voiceover to videos, and also how you can also use them for your business advert, how you can also use them to grow your business, how you can also use them for whatever purpose you want to use it for. So if you are ready to work with me, if you are ready to work smarter and not harder, ready to work smarter and not harder, hit the follow button and follow me, and let's dive into the world of AI together, because the future of AI is now, is beginning now. Thank you.